So in this video, we are going to learn how we can set up push notifications in Expo in our React Native app through the official documentation. I will also teach you along the way how you can also read the docs yourself and implement whatever the official documentation is mentioning, and you don't need to watch hundreds of videos for it. Okay, so we will do it step by step and everything what is mentioned in the documentation. So first of all, I have this app already here. This is the this is the starting point which you get in an Expo app using npx expo create. So and here is my screen which is currently building. So we will first go here in the documentation and we will install the packages which are mentioned here. So first install the packages. And while these are being downloaded, we will do other things which is mentioned here. Add config plugin. Okay. So it says in the app.json, in this file you will find the in your Expo application, go in the plugins and add this. So here I added it in the starting. So we will replace the whole index screen with the code we just copied. Okay. Now your Expo notifications are fully, set up correctly. Now let's see what it says in the app and in the console. Okay, so we will allow Expo notifications. Now it says project ID not found. What this means is we don't have a ease project ID, which you will only get when you build the application through ease build. So you need to do this ease build. Okay? So we will enter ease build and it will ask you some questions which we will answer, and then our project ID will be created. So this is asking us if we automatically want to create an ease project, and we will say yes, we want automatically by pressing Y on our keyboard. Let me remove it from here for some time. For what platform we are asking. For now, we will only select Android. It will generate a ease.json file, and here you will find your project ID. This is asking us what our Android package look like, and I will press the default here, com.utkarsh.expo notification. Do you want to generate a new Android key store? We'll say why. Yes. Let us try again. It was due to my trunk folder. Now it will not happen. Now whatever. We now have a project ID uh, for ourselves in app.json. So as you can see, after we have done the each build, we have project ID, and now we can get the Expo push token. Now we will test it out from a tool which Expo made for us, which is expo.dev notification. And you will put your copy your token from there and paste here. And you will add a title, um, body like hello, first notification, and you will send a notification. And you will see here we will get the notification. See, we just get our notification. So, and this is how simple it is to set up push notifications in our Expo app.